Is that yummy sweet potatoes? Yum. Yum. You have enough sweet potatoes on your hands. And on your leg. And on your clothes. Yeah. Do you want more sweet potatoes? Do you want more sweet potatoes? You want to feed yourself the sweet potatoes? What a good boy. What a good boy. Yummy. We like that. Do you want more? Or are you done? I think we're done. I think we're done with the sweet potatoes. You did a good job.